Hello, crafty travelers. Welcome from Baja, California, Clam Beach Campground with the ocean in the background. Today's adventure, we're going on a bus tour to the Guadalupe Valley, which is the winery area of Baja, northern Baja, and we'll visit a couple of wineries and have lunch. So that's today's adventure. Follow along.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind, I like the way it feels, no need to set off the alarm, no. So I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone, oh.
End of the day. After all that wine.
We'll be sleeping. Our ambassadors are on board, and this is our guide over here.
Okay.
All right, here's one for the yearbook, huh? Yeah. All right.
One more.
Oh, we all want a copy of that. We all want a copy of that.
Well, of course.
Vamos a ver. Hola, hola a todos. Hola. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo están?
Bien, gracias.
Excelente. Me encantan. Hablan español.
Poquito.
A ver. Muy bien. Well, welcome everybody to Ensenada. My name is Larissa. I am very, very happy to be your tour guide today. Our driver name is Felix. Could you please say buenos dias to our driver?
Buenos días, Felix.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Ensenada.
Okay, gracias.
Buenos dias is your Spanish lesson number one. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ensenada again. Let me explain to you the schedule for today. Today we're visiting a beautiful area. We're visiting our largest and most popular wine route, where we have more than 200 wineries. The name of this area is known as Guadalupe Valley. Beautiful area. The wineries that we're visiting today, of course, some of the best. The first winery that we are visiting is Demeco Winery, founded at Spain years ago and in Ensenada since the year of 1972.
We are here at the Epedemic Winery in Baja, and we're taking a tour of the winery. Going on a little wine tour here. Ensenada, Baja, California, the Demeco Winery, and we will also have lunch here. So stay tuned for more.
Guys,
Victor.
first of all, welcome. Nice to meet you. Effectively, my name is Victor Torres, and I'll take care of you for the next, I think, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on the pictures and questions you ask. Okay, the first thing will be to get these doors open so you some room so they don't kick you there. I don't think they'll make it there. A little bit water and that's strong.
Open sesame!
Alright, so let's begin, guys. The first thing will be to wait. and we measure it using measure unit that is called bricks, and it helps us measure the sugar levels inside the wine. But there are a lot of things to take into account in this first step. For example, Mexico, well, in the law, what makes wine and a liquor is not the way you make it, it's the amount or percentage of alcohol. So if a wine has 14 or more alcohol, it will be taxed as a liquor. So we always try to avoid it.
Okay, we've been through the tour. Now we're gonna go taste some wine. And the name of this wine?
Viognier.
Viognier.
Right, this one right here.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here's to the wine. A little fruity. I like the Sauvignon Blanc in it. Tastes pretty good for a white. How's it taste?
Next one better not be a cab.
Oh, I'm sure it will be.
You drink it.
Okay, guys, this third wine you can have is this person right there.
Oh, that's different than what I've ever had.
Yeah, different what you had. What's it taste like? Oh. Cards. Okay. First spread. Some Merlot. 100% Merlot. Very tannicky. Very sharp. Yeah.
It's like a baby Merlot.
It's a young Merlot, and it's sweet, aged a little more, get some more of the flavor, and less tannicky.
This is a Mexican winery since 1928.
Good.
The first generation is Angelo Cheto from Trentino, Italy, the first owner. The second generation, Luis Agustin Cheto from Tijuana, Baja California. And now the owner is the great son. The great son is Luis Alberto Cheto from Tijuana, Baja California. Three generations. We are the biggest winery in world Mexico. We have 3,000 acres in different areas. San Vicente, Porvenir, San Antonio de las Minas, Valle Guadalupe, and Tecate. Remember, 3,000 acres. And we have like 29 different grapes, like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Zinfandel, Chardonnay, Moscato, Nebbiolo, Petit Syrah, and other different grapes. 29 different grapes. The harvest season is only 3 months. August is for the white grape, September is for the red grape, and October is just for the late harvest. Now the fermentation broth. The capacity of Mexico is in liters. The first room is only for the table wine and classic or traditional wine. And this room is for the private reserve of premium and boutique wines. We have a 3,000 different barrels.
We're in the wine tasting room. It's a little more crowded than the last place. Guadalupe, all kinds of goodies in here. Entering into the store, all kinds of goodies here. Bread. Looks like teas here. Sting over here. And the jellies and jams. You need that, Jeff. You need that. Gato, here's a gato. I'm ending this video with the setting sun melting into the ocean. I want to thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thank you for watching.